Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share a contact on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to quickly and easily share a contact's information with someone through WhatsApp. So today I'm going to show you how to share a contact on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, find the chat with whom you want to share a contact. Once you have selected the chat, tap on this paperclip icon located at the right side of the text input field. In this menu, to share a contact, simply tap on this contact option. After that, a list of contacts from your device address book will appear. Select the contact that you want to share by tapping on it. After selecting the contact, simply tap on this arrow button at the bottom right corner. Here, you can review the contact information of the contact you have selected. You can check if it is really the contact that you want to share. After checking, tap on the send button. After that, you now have successfully shared a contact on WhatsApp. The recipient will receive a message with a contact card, including the contact's name, phone number, and any other information available in the contact's profile. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share a contact on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share a contact on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.